Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour to a restaurant that recently just opened up here in Chandler, Arizona. The name of the place is ChongQin Chicken Pot. They have a very interesting concept. 2 courses, 1 pot. The first course is your choice of stir-fried meats served in a casserole pot that is placed on an electric stove at your table. The second course, they add a rich soup broth to the same pot to make a hot pot that blends in all the delicious flavors of the meat flavors from course 1 that gets deeper in flavor as it continuously cooks. This will be our first time trying out this place. Let's go inside and see what they're all about. Before we get started, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel right now so I can continue posting more food videos for you in the near future. Let's go. Okay, here we are at the northeast corner of Chandler Boulevard and Dobson Road. It's in the same plaza anchored by the new 99 Ranch Market. This is a newly renovated shopping center that is renamed Chandler Ranch. There are a bunch of Asian food places here, such as Kura Revolving Sushi Bar, Meat Fresh. I see there's also going to be a restaurant called Ramen Hood. 85 Degree Bakery is coming to the valley. I'm very excited about that, because they have the best baked goods I've ever had. We stop by the 85 Bakery every time we go to Las Vegas, and also they have a few locations in California. Now, 85 Degree Bakery will be in pretty much our backyard. Let's go inside ChongQin Chicken Pot. I can't wait to try out their food. Let's start with their menu. There are all kinds of meats available, such as chicken, ribs, beef, catfish. They even have pig intestines, seafood, bullfrog. Alright, let's go over how this works. Step 1, you choose which pot you want to order. We're going to be a little bit adventurous and try the bullfrog pot. It's $27 and should be enough for the both of us. Next, you then select your spice level. We're going to go ahead and try out the medium spice. Step 3, select your add-ons for an extra charge. We're going to select the tofu, sliced potatoes, lunch meat, enoki mushrooms, and we're going to go ahead and have the instant noodles. When the pot is brought to your table, they're going to actually place it on an electric heater. You're going to eat the dry pot first. Once you're about halfway through with the dry pot, your server will pour in the rich soup broth. You can then add in all of the add-on items you selected to cook in that broth. While we wait for the food, let's do a quick tour of this place. Looks very nice and clean. Let's walk down the hallway and see what's there. To the right, I believe, is the kitchen. Looks like there's a second floor. Let's see what's up there. Nice wide stairs. Ooh, nice decor. Kind of reminds me of like a Japanese style decor. Nice. A few booths. Looks like it seats probably around 6 per booth. This table here looks like you can seat anywhere from 8 to 11 probably. Hey, you can overlook the main dining area from here. You see the long pieces of wood hanging on top? Can you guess what they are? They're chopsticks. Overall, I really like the way the restaurant is set up. Alright, the food is here. What they do is they place it on this electric stove to keep it super hot. Look at it boiling. Smells really good. Take a look at the meat on this bullfrog leg. Let's give it a try. Wow, very nice. Very tender and packed with flavor. As many of you may already know, it pretty much tastes like very tender chicken. Doesn't have any gaminess to it. It has big pieces of garlic. Also in this pot here, there's big pieces of garlic in there. There's some red peppers, green peppers, some Chinese celery. And the seasoning itself, I really can't explain it. It's a complex mix of a whole bunch of Chinese flavors. It's absolutely delicious. You have to stop by and try this place out. It is so good. They also have this green tea drink that has honey and jasmine flavor. I recommend you ordering this to help wash down the rich flavor of the pot. Very refreshing. When this dish starts to really thicken up, I would say about 3/4 of the way through, at that time, your server will pour in the rich soup broth into the pot. By the time our server added the broth though, the bottom started to stick. I recommend to ask them to pour in the broth when you're about halfway done so that it doesn't happen to you. After the broth is poured into the pot, you can then throw in all of your add-on ingredients. All hungry yet? I especially like the Spam. Isn't Spam good with anything? I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.